7 surprising things you didn't know about camels. Camels are some of the most interesting creatures in the animal kingdom, and they come with their own unique set of facts that make them stand out from other animals. For example, did you know that camels can't breathe through their nose? They can only breathe through their mouth because it contains a long flap of skin called a turbinate bone, which causes them to be unable to breathe properly through their nose. Here are 7 other surprising facts about camels that you probably didn't know about before. The reason they walk in circles. The reason camels walk in circles is actually super interesting. Their feet are designed to walk on sand, so when a camel walks in a straight line, it sinks into its surroundings. The loose sand makes walking difficult for them and slows them down. To avoid sinking into soft surfaces, they prefer to walk in circles. They don't need water to survive. Of course, camels need water. They just don't need very much of it. Unlike humans, who can die after 3 to 5 days without water, camels can survive months without drinking a drop. They do so by relying on their stomachs, which are large reservoirs that hold up to 80 liters of water at a time. That's because camels' bodies can conserve and rehydrate their limited supply in order to meet their basic needs. Their kidneys and livers also help them filter out extra salt from water before it enters their bloodstream. Their body temperature can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. Hot desert sands can reach up to 54 degrees Celsius or 104 Fahrenheit, but a camel's body temperature rises in response and will eventually match its surroundings. A camel stores fat throughout its body, allowing it to survive without food or water for several weeks. Its hump is formed by muscles that move to support its neck when weight is on its front knees. When a camel expels gas, it belches and sounds like a braying donkey, not a romp or whinny as commonly believed. Their humps are made out of fat and water, which allow them to travel long distances in hot, dry desert areas. When dehydrated, camels can lose up to 40% of their body weight, and their metabolism slows down by as much as 50%. Nose is so sensitive that it can sense an animal under 6 feet of sand. This allows them to find fresh plants and determine if water is near or not. Massive cultural significance. Until recently, the enormous and frequent camel caravans ensured the riches and growth of the Silk Road's great commercial cities, which transported commodities between Asia and Europe. Camel milk is the healthiest among all milks. If you visit Abu Dhabi, you'll be able to pick up a camel milkshake made with real camel milk. The milk has loads more vitamin C and iron than cow's milk and is very good for you. It is used in Kazakhstan to help treat illnesses such as tuberculosis. Camels are 30 animals, including a family unit with 1 dominant male. Camel aggression is rare, with the exception of males asserting dominance during breeding. They don't just ride together. Camels communicate with one another by making sounds similar to sighs and bellows. That was all for now. If you want more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment for more topics.